Hi guys, Luke here. Today we are going to learn 20 essential English phrases that you can use every single day. These phrases help you communicate clearly in simple, real situations. And here's the thing, you don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You just need useful sentences that work in daily life. Let's begin. How are you? Repeat. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Repeat. I'm good, thanks. What's your name? Repeat. What's your name? My name is Luke. Repeat. My name is Luke. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. These phrases help you start conversations. Now let's continue with phrases that help you keep the conversation going. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? I'm from the United States. Repeat. I'm from the United States. You can replace United States with your own country. Repeat again. I'm from the United States. What do you do? Repeat. What do you do? I work in. Repeat. I work in. You can say, I work in a restaurant. I work in an office. I work in a school. Repeat. I work in. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Let's continue. These next phrases help you in shops, markets, and daily situations. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Repeat. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? Repeat. Can you speak more slowly? What does that mean? Repeat. What does that mean? You don't need to understand everything. You just need sentences that help you continue the conversation. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? I'd like this one. Repeat. I'd like this one. Do you have this in a different size? Repeat. Do you have this in a different size? Excuse me. Repeat. Excuse me. Sorry. Repeat. Sorry. Thank you so much. Repeat. Thank you so much. Now let's practice these phrases in real situations. Meeting someone new. Hi, how are you? My name is. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Repeat again. Hi, how are you? My name is. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Now a shopping situation. Excuse me, can you help me? How much is this? I'd like this one, please. Thank you so much. Repeat again. Excuse me, can you help me? How much is this? I'd like this one, please. Thank you so much. Now, a situation when you don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? Repeat again. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? Now let's review all 20 phrases one more time. How are you? I'm good, thanks. What's your name? My name is. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from... What do you do? I work in... Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? What does that mean? How much is this? I'd like this one. Do you have this in a different size? Excuse me. Sorry. Thank you so much. Choose 5 of these phrases today. Say them in the morning. Say them again in the afternoon. And repeat them at night. This simple practice helps your memory and makes the phrases feel natural when you speak. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson.